So I've been putting it through its paces, and it wears fine on the wrist. It's a big watch, but I got used to it pretty quick. Um, I find it's a beautiful watch to look at. I find the lack of lume at night is sort of, I don't it I notice it more than I should. I like even just a little bit of glow. This is completely dead. I think it's a lovely watch. I've spent a lot of time looking at it. The movement, it seems to be that the winding is not terribly efficient, or I still have some kind of an issue. I did power reserve tests and I'm getting just right about 24 hours. Just using the automatic winding. I'm not talking about like hand winding it. I wore it without hand winding it at all, and then I took it off. I wore it without hand winding it all for days, and then I took it off and left it, and it ran down in 24 hours. I'm enjoying wearing it. It's still working, doing what it should, resetting as it had been. You know, that's it. Okay, so I wanted to have a follow-up post about my Heuer calculator watch. This is my Instagram for anybody that cares. As any of you who have been following on the channel know, I put a lot of time and effort and everything into bringing one of these back. What I did not know after I did this is, unfortunately I didn't know this until after the man had died. But Gene Hackman wore one of these. I got an email from a very nice gentleman informing me this would have been in Gene Hackman raced for 24 hours of Le Mans for Toyota in driving a 1981 Celica. But he is wearing that. There it is. And there's mine. I have a picture on my Facebook actually showing a nice comparison with the picture that I had actually flipped. So it's absolutely obvious that's what he's wearing. This is the other original examples I've found online have this style bracelet. It looks like it's a pretty heavy folded link where these outer links are not independent of this middle one. It looks like it's just one big flat pinned together thing and it would have to have a 22 millimeter end. If I'm guessing, that's a 10 millimeter center section. I'm guessing. I don't know, but I was, it's really actually, heartbreaking that we lost Gene Hackman to begin with. We watched French Connection just like last month. I love the work that he's done. He's a great actor. I loved him in Unforgiven. He was by all accounts a really decent guy. And only now to find out that he was a watch guy, and then he was into this stuff. Because I've also been finding out, people have been letting me know that he wasn't just a watch guy.